One of my favorite griddlers in all of America is the legendary Griddle Richie. You've got to follow this guy on his own account, and you've got to look at the work he's doing for Blackstone Latin America. It's incredible. On today's episode of Camp Griddle More, we are going to make Griddle Richie's easy beef and broccoli. It is so delicious, so tasty, and such a quick cook. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. My friend Griddle Richie has incredible range as a cook. He can do really basic, fun, easy meals, and he can also go full-on gourmet. This is a simple one. So let's get our beef prepped for our beef and broccoli. This is gonna be so delicious. We're gonna use the shaved beefsteak from Trader Joe's, which is also really usable for cheesesteaks. And one of the things that actually kind of drives me crazy about this is it can clump together if you don't separate it before throwing it on the griddle. So let's get it all separated first so that we're ready to go. Believe it or not, that's just about all the prep that this cook requires. So let's get our Blackstone turned up to medium heat, and we are not trying to sear this beef. We are gonna cook it up somewhat slowly so that it stays really tender. Once we're on medium heat, let's throw down a scoop of minced garlic and put our broccoli right on top. If you have the Blackstone collapsible basting dome, you could use it here to speed up the process and get the broccoli just a little bit softer. Now that we've got our broccoli humming on the griddle top, let's throw down our beef and spread it out so all of it cooks nice and easily. And let's throw down some of that Blackstone SPG on top. And that's the only seasoning we're gonna use for this cook. In Griddle Richie's Instagram reel, he uses the Trader Joe's organic jasmine rice and he tosses it into the microwave. We don't have a microwave here today, so I'm just gonna mix it in to my beef and broccoli and let it warm up that way because it's already pre-cooked rice. Once our beef is just about done, let's add our teriyaki sauce and add a little bit of this crunchy chili onion sauce from Trader Joe's for a little bit of heat. If you don't have this particular sauce, just use something like a sriracha to give it a little bit of a kick. Now let's stir it all together and get ready to plate it up and enjoy it. I started eating before Sean had the camera ready. This is so good. It smells so good. The beef is tender. The broccoli still has just a little bit of a crunch to it. This is like 5 ingredients. This is a perfect meal. I'm getting a little bit of the heat there. This is like a perfect meal for the campground on a Friday night. Let's throw it over to Griddle Richie himself and ask him how he would elevate this. This is a really basic and delicious dinner. Let's see what Griddle Richie would do to take this one to the next level.
That looks amazing, but to elevate this meal a little bit more, how about adding some green onions, sesame, and maybe a little bit of sriracha?